Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. What a better way to check out World of Wheels 2025 than by checking out Corvettes. So smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell, buckle up, get ready for the ride of your life. Stay tuned. No better way than to start a video at World of Wheels 2025 than with Corvettes, my favorites. Chicagoland Corvettes are the featured participants here. Let's just check them out. I think Corvette Debbie knows somebody from this club. I'm not sure. It don't matter, we're just checking out the cars. I love silver in a C5. Then again, I love black in a C5. I think you get my point. That's interesting. Check this out. Custom. There we go. Let's move on. This is what I'm looking for. That's a Z. Callaway C6 Grand Sport. Here's another C6 Grand Sport. Another C8. This one's custom. Man, this is crazy. Look at that. Woo! I like it. In case you want to look this up, folks. And moving on to one of my favorite Corvettes of all time, the 2019 ZR1 C7 High Wing. Oh, I love it. I love that car. Love it. Let's move on. There's another C5, a favorite of my channel and myself. That's one custom C5, folks. Beautiful. And here we have mid-year with a 327 knockoff rims and a C3 70 to 72. Let's get a closer look. This is my favorite body style of all Corvettes, despite the fact that we have C5 and C7. I don't know, I just love it. And a C4, we love that green. C4 needs more love, folks. Need to appreciate what this was in the day. I know I do. I'd own one. My guess is I will someday.